Alright guys, so I've gotten my sound back and today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a couple different outfits on these models that you see here. So I've already gone ahead and drawn the actual outlines of the models. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new layer so that we can draw over the models that we have here. So what I'm going to do real quickly is I'm just going to select a different color, and we're going to start with this model here. So I've named her Popular Girl just because that's the outfit I'm going to try to emulate today. And we're going to select a different color. So I'm a big fan of red. I think it's very bright and it's easy to see, so that is the color I'm going to select. Now what you're going to do is, if you're not too sure what you want to go with, I would recommend pulling up a reference. For today I'm not going to be pulling up a reference just because it clouds the screen and I kind of already have an idea in mind of what I want to do. So first we're going to start with the torso. Now I'm thinking, you know, she's a popular girl, maybe we'll go for a mean girl look, and we're going to give her maybe like a blazer. So to start, we're going to draw the outline of the arms, the sleeves over her. And blazers are they're very, how would I put it? They're very starch fabric, like they're stiff. So they're actually not going to hug the arms when it gets to the curves. They're going to kind of float around the cuffs, as you can see right here. And we're going to do the other arms. It's going to kind of float around the wrist just like that and end it in a cuff. And there you have the arms. Now you can't see it, but the blazer is the lapel, or the collar, sorry, is going to be hidden by her hair here. So what we're going to do is we're going to extend it. Oops. I'm going to extend it down. Not sure why my pen is doing that. Let's make it smaller. I'm going to extend it down like so. And we're going to give her a nice cutoff. Like that. And then we're going to do the other side. And don't worry if it's overlapping. The reason why we're using red is just so you can see everything. I don't know about you guys, but I get a little distracted by all the lines if they're the same color. So I like to go over my figures with a different color for the clothes, just so it's easy and cohesive to see. Alright, now that we've got the blazer sorted, we're going to do a nice, let's see, like a preppy blouse. Something you'd find at maybe like a, I don't know what's preppy. Banana Republic? I'm just joking. Let's see. So we're going to find a nice collar. We will do something with a scalloped edge like so. That looks pretty preppy. And I'm going to fix it so it's a little bit more aligned to what we want. And then she has her shirt tucked in. So we're just going to leave it like that. And there you go, you got a nice blazer. And now for the end. So I'm thinking maybe a skirt, because that's what all preppy girls wear, right? Joking. We're going to edit this. A nice slit skirt. So it's kind of like the blazer jacket. It's gonna follow the curve a little bit, but then since we want some movement, we're gonna have it split right here. And let me actually highlight that split so you guys can see it better. Like so. And then if you ever want to check to see if the clothing looks right, you can hide that line layer, and that looks pretty accurate. So we're going to leave it as such. Now that we've gotten her outfit down, we're going to give her some knee socks. Nice knee socks. Can't remember if they go under the knee or whatnot, but they're we're just gonna add some notches. Kind of like to look like the seam of the knee socks. And then we won't be drawing shoes today because that's a little bit complicated, if you know what I mean. But if you would like, I can show you in another video. But for now, we're going to move on. So next we have the Southern Chic look. And I'm gonna kind of go for the Southern Belle look. I live in the South, so the majority of what I see here is a lot of very flowy clothing. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna give her a nice open collar, open shoulders, and we're actually gonna make it very flowy. So we're gonna kind of droop a little bit. Like I think you call this like a bat sleeve. And it's gonna go out, and it's gonna come in like so. Maybe we'll scallop those edges a bit. And since this whole material is flowy, we're gonna add these little lines, and that just kind of emulates like let's see, like the ripples you see in really loose clothing. So that's the effect I'm kind of trying to go for here. As you can see, I really like scalloped edges. I think they're really pretty. So now that we have the top down, I thought about giving her a cowboy hat, but I don't want to go all out just yet. We do have a staple here is the short shorts jeans, and they come in many different varieties and colors and sizes. So that's what we're gonna do here today. We're gonna use this. I had a guideline here, the black one that you see, and we're just gonna cut it off here. We're gonna make these pockets right here. And we're not trying to be too accurate with the clothing folds. If you're going for accuracy, this probably isn't the channel for you, but no worries. We're just trying to get, I guess you can call it the illusion of accuracy. So that's what we're going for here. And we're gonna add a slight cuff or a hem, whatever you want to call it, to these jeans. And we're going to add a little seam here just to make it look a little bit more realistic. And there you have it. The Southern Chic flowy girl look. Alright, moving on. I have a Sporty Girl here. You can see she's got muscles, some very nice muscles. We are going to be drawing, I guess, athletic clothes, athleisure, whatever you want to call it. So first I'm going to start with a sports bra, and that's going to hook under the shoulder and come right here under the armpit. And then we're going to do a little scoop right on top of her chest. I'm going to follow the line of her body, and then we're going to cut it off right below where her chest sort of ends right there. And we're going to give her a nice outline over here for the sports bra and a nice seam. There we go. And that is our top. Let's see, for the bottom, we're going to add some like jogger shorts. So they're going to be pretty short, so we're going to use this outline that I already have here. I'm going to do the same little cuff following the curve of her waistline. This time we're going to have a line that comes down right about here. And this is the allowance for this short, so it's going to split right here. So it's going to look something like that. And then here's the other half of the shorts. In case you can't see, I'll zoom in a little bit for you guys. Just like that. So what we're gonna do is, I want to fix this real quick. There we go, just like that. And we're gonna go ahead and finish it off on the other pair of shorts as well. And there you go. You've got your cute little shorts. You can add a little trim. That's what it's called, trim. You can add a little trim if you like. I'll give her some socks. You can wear her sneakers in. And yeah, there is our sporty outfit. The last outfit we're going to do today is kind of like a freeform. So if you'd like, you can kind of do whatever you want with this one, or you can follow what I'm doing. I'm not really sure what I want to do with this one just yet. I think I'm going to do like maybe like a cute dress or something. So I'm just going to be following the guidelines I have here, and I think maybe we'll try to do like a skirt, like a school uniform type deal. So we're gonna do cuff sleeves with a little bit of trim. We're gonna follow the curve for waist. I can't remember, I've never worn a school uniform, but I can't remember if they're tucked in. Just from the pictures I've seen, we're gonna tuck hers in. And we're gonna have this waistband for her skirt. Now skirts are a little bit difficult. I'm gonna try my best here without, boring you to death. But we'll see. So I'm gonna do a pleated skirt, and we're gonna do our best to follow that curve of her body. And then we're gonna try our best to get, actually terrible, let's make that a little bit longer. And I like adding like extra lines just because it looks, I really like how, like sketchiness of sketches. That's why I'm not using like a pen. But if you like, you can use a pen. I'm gonna extend that out a bit, and then I don't know what it's doing. It's like a pen bleed, but for a pencil. It's weird. Maybe I'm just heavy-handed. That's probably it. I'm just gonna try to do some folds here. So we're gonna do some like loose squiggles, kind of like that. Like so. Make sure to cover up her backside, and we're just gonna connect some of these lines to those squiggles. So you'll see the peaks of these squiggles. We're gonna connect the lines to the peaks. There we go. And then you can kind of shade in here with their shadow. Like that. And then with those little divots, like here, little valleys, you can kind of do that, like a little scoop. You're gonna attach the peaks and scoop the valleys, if that makes sense. And you have a cute, semi-accurate schoolgirl look. And oh, we forgot the socks. We forgot the socks. And what is a schoolgirl outfit without the socks? Add a little trim, and you are all done. You're all set.